Let's now take a look at business news. And an increase in merger and acquisition activity, as well as steep rise in innovation, are likely to be the more immediate apparent outcomes of the new interest capping law. This is according to a report by Britam asset managers, who also hold that small banks are likely to feel a great pinch due to their limited access to funding while working towards implementing the recently enacted law. According to the report, smaller banks lack relatively unlimited access to finance, unlike the larger banks, which enjoy an estimated 70% of market share. Among the many changes likely to affect smaller banks include lower margins earned from lending and lower return on equities based on the threat to market share and margins.
Smaller banks, they have to pay more for deposits, so their cost of funding is certainly higher. If you look at the smaller banks, they do not benefit from the economies of scale that the larger banks have. And if you do look at the smaller banks, they deal more with the niche borrowers. And the niche borrowers in Kenya are defined as those who are higher risk borrowers. So certainly if you're a higher risk borrower, then